Hi Anna, do you have a moment? Yeah, sure. Is there anything I can help? Do you have any advice about our employee outing plan? What would you recommend for the concept? How about you try the natural concept like camping at Ranca Bali, Bandung? Wow, that's a good idea. I will create the proposal soon. Before you create the proposal, I think you have to do a research about the place, capacity, and the budget first. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. If you do a research first, it will make easier for you to create a proposal. Absolutely. I couldn't agree more. If I had more time, I would help you to make a proposal, but I'm so busy this week. No, it's okay, Anna. You already helped me a lot. Thank you so much, Anna. Yeah, you're welcome, Diva. Okay, I should go now. I have a report that must be submitted now. Oh, you must be so busy, right? Okay, see you, Anna. Bye. Bye, Diva.